And good afternoon, folks. My name is Jenko, and today I'm going to make the world's best Italian salad. Now, this is great with Italian food, but it goes with anything. Roast beef, chicken, you name it. This is delicious. I've worked on it, got it down to a science. Some of these salads that you eat come out way too vinegary or too tart or too sweet or whatever. This is perfect. It tastes a little bit like the Olive Garden salad oil that they put in their salad, but this goes in an Italian salad, not a tossed salad. And I'm going to show you all the ingredients here real quick. Don't try to memorize what I'm doing. The recipe will be in the show more section. All you got to do is copy, cut it, and paste it, and print it. It's real easy. Everything will be there for you. And now let me show you what all goes into making it. First we'll make the broth, but let me show you all the ingredients. And here's all our colorful ingredients that go into this salad. And we'll mix it all up in this bowl. We've got water. We got tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, cucumbers, mozzarella cheese, sugar, oil, vinegar, and salt. And what we're going to do first is mix up our base liquid, get it all mixed up real well before we add everything else to it. And we'll get that started right away. And we start out by adding our water first. Here's a cup of water. Remember, all this will be on the recipe. All you gotta do is cut it and paste it and print it on the video. So we start with our water. Here's sugar. Get the sugar in. Oil. Nice oil. We add some salt. And our vinegar. We want to get all this stirred up real well before we add anything else. Nice and even. Real good here. Oh, I can smell it already and doesn't even have the vegetables in it yet. Yeah, that's looking good. Get everything all dissolved and mixed together real well. And remember, this isn't just for Italian food, serving it with Italian food. You can serve this with anything. It goes with anything. It's delicious, and it sits real well in the refrigerator. Now that we've got our base mixed real well, it's time to add all the goodies. So we start with our tomatoes. Nice tomato wedges, bell peppers. Oh, this is going to be colorful. Cucumbers, onions, and our mozzarella cheese. Mix it all up real well with the broth. And now it's a good idea to let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour, at least an hour, before serving it. That way all the flavors mix in real well with the broth, and as well as the broth getting all over the vegetables. Isn't that nice looking? Oh yeah, I can taste it. Let's see here. Ah, perfect. That's perfect. You can sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of it also, but this is I would let it sit for at least an hour. And if you've got the time, a little longer. The longer it sits, the more the flavors mix together. But there you have it. Get a close-up of it for you. And again, this is delicious with anything that you serve. Very easy to make. All you need to have is these vegetables on hand. Well, as I promised you, it was a very short video. Didn't need to make it very long. And goofy or fancy or anything. Just need to show you what all ingredients go into this, making this great salad. And I hope you enjoy your salad when you do make it. Have a great day. Thank you for viewing my video.